YouTube, what's up? Ace Rollin', I'm back. I got another video for you guys. We're gonna upgrade the rotors to the drilled and slotted rotors for PowerStop. This is gonna be awesome.
I can stop and I trust these brakes wholeheartedly.
This thing stops like crazy. These pads work really well.
With the stock pads that I had before, you would see dust.
From PowerStop up in Illinois, down here to North Carolina. We got it in a couple days.
Guys, these look so much better.
I highly recommend the PowerStop Z23 Evolution pads. Affordable price for a brake upgrade.
Man, it looks really good. It looks like a race car. I love it.
I love these pads, and these rotors are great. They look great. They stop the car really, really well.
They have been an awesome purchase.
It's part of their one-click system. It has the pads, it has the rotors, came with brake lube. It has everything that I'm gonna need for this project. Wow, damn.
They're like dustless pads. It's insane.
Even when I had 2,000 pounds of mulch in the bed of the truck, plus another 2,000 on a little trailer behind it, and some jackwagon decides to cut me off in traffic, I know I can come to a stop.
Still has bugs and stuff on it, and it's still no dust. The bite is even better than stock.